How to set up your Tenda A9 Wi-Fi extender. First, plug the Tenda A9 in near your router. Plug the A9 into a wall outlet close to your main Wi-Fi router and wait for it to power on. You can move it away later on when you finish the setup. Step 2. Connect your phone or computer to the extender. Open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the A9's default wireless network. Tenda's setup can be performed from your phone or PC. Step 3. Open the Tenda setup page. Open your browser while connected to the extender and go to re.tenda.cn to access the setup interface. Step 4. Select your home Wi-Fi. Let the A9 scan for nearby networks, then find your main router's Wi-Fi name that you want to extend the network from and select it. Step 5. Enter your Wi-Fi password and finish the setup. Once you enter the password for your main router's Wi-Fi, confirm the extender network settings and press Done. Step 6. Move the extender to the right location. Once it's connected, unplug the A9 and move it through halfway between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Use the signal LED to find a good position. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.